Hello everyone friends, this is Velour channel. Today I'll show how to install OptiFine for Minecraft 1.2, 1.8, and this guide works for other versions too. Open your browser and type OptiFine here. Oops, go here, click download for 21.8. Please download it. Wait 5 seconds to support the developers. Yes, for viewing this page, we support the developers, right? Download it. Here it is. Click on the folder, move our mod here, and to install it, you need to open Start and click Run. Or you can press Windows plus R. Here we need %app data. Okay. Next, open Minecraft mods and drop OptiFine here. I already had it here, but there, and launch it. This was Velour. Goodbye everyone. Run the female version, of course. That's all. Bye.